Bakit, George? Buang, hello. Welcome back. Guys, stop naman kayo. Malaya, welcome back na nag-unfollow sa akin. Alam ko bang walang nakakaalam ng baka napindot lang. Harry, hello. Oo naman, malaya. Oo nga eh. Hi, potato! Thank you, potato! Sana naman mga 2 stars na tayo. Thank you, potato. Thank you. Hi, potato! Where are you from? Never seen. Oh, yeah. Because I just came back here on Bigo. Yeah, yeah. 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 I am from the Philippines. How about you? Where are you from? Oh, USA. Where? I know my grandmother is living there. And I hope someday she can get here and go there. Fif- yes. Oh, you wanna go here someday in the Philippines? Morning hug, Shabi Along Ramos. Because Philippines is so nice. Like me. Oh, where? I think you're Filipino. And you're fully napadaan lang. Thanks sa daan. Morning hug, hello. Malaya, ano na. Lol, no. Oh, I'm just kidding. Guys, please help me to reach 2 stars. Morning hug, hello. I'm so sleepy right now. But we need. Oh, potato. Thank you for dropping. I have 2 beans, right? Nelson Payne, ikaw na naman. What do you need, lol? Nothing. Why? Yes, tambay-tambay lang. I need to reach my quota. No, I'm just, yeah, that, and yes, I have 2 pins and I said thank you, right? But 2 pins is equal to, wait, 2 beans is equals to 0.009. Stitch, oh. Hi guys. So yeah, I need more. You know guys, my quota is so big. Yes. And I don't know what to do. Lime, hello, but we can do that. Spider. Marcos Aqua size not what? My quota is so big. I have only 20 days to reach that, right? So I need to focus. G2asun. G2asun balik-balik yun eh. Mayon. Iba pa yun, malayo yun. Sa balik. Doon tayo, baka alam niya yung Holly.